idea was to overcome the idea that the disability is limited only at a specific sector, but we want to create a multi-actor training to have a multidisciplinary approach. For this reason, we think that the creation of a model that includes not only to develop and improve the hard skill, for example, the skill about the world of disability and the world of the 3D printing related to this topic, but also to pay our attention to at the soft skill, for example, for the pro-social approach and the motivational approach, and include the people with disability, and to improve their empowerment is the very added value of this project.